What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion that we do every Monday to Friday. So today is the first day of trading week and very important day. As you know that this week market is very volatile because there will be a monthly and weekly close together, and when there is a monthly and weekly close together, always the market is volatile. And let's see how we can find trading opportunity in this volatile market. As you can see, gold analysis made early today exactly did according to the analysis. In the beginning of trading week, we had a very good trade on gold. Just now we had another one, but that one is going the other direction. So let's see how we can find next trading opportunity in the market. We had a mixed day, good and also there is a one trade gone wrong, most of them going in the right direction. So we'll analyze all of them to see how we can find next trading opportunity. Let me know in the chat, guys, which one you are trading. So before I begin, make sure you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin today's session along with gold again. Now as you can see, probably if you have seen my gold analysis, I'm sure that you made a really good profit from this gold market today. This is the last day's session, last week's candle, and I will start from that point on where I started. This is the candle that last week closed, and this is where I have left last week. And in the analysis previous yesterday as well as in the weekly forex forecast, this is what I exactly expected, that gold to break this high, grab liquidity, and then to drop. Interestingly enough, exactly from that point gold has dropped. You can review the analysis that I posted yesterday and also go to the weekly forex forecast. You see that gold has dropped from exactly from that point. Guys, give a big like if you have watched that analysis. If you haven't watched that, then I will recommend you to watch it, because it's a great learning and you learn exactly how the market moves so that you can use in your trading. Now, and afterwards we saw that we had not wait anything. The market just started to drop in the direction that we expected, and as soon as the market opened, I have opened also a gold trade, as you have seen in the previous London session and New York session, previous pre-London session live streaming that we have discussed. So exactly where we saw that gold started to drop from there, and we had a trade on this one just before starting this session. We had another one, but this one looks like that the other way around, so that's completely fine. We already have gained enough profit. Sometime one or two trades will go the other direction, and that's what we have to accept, and that's why we manage the risk. Now at this point I can display all my trade that we are running and opening, because I'm a real trader and I trade based on strategy, analysis, and proper risk management. Now these all the trades that we have opened, and some of them closed a bit earlier, most of them closed with profit. We opened dollar CAD. That one could be a very good winning trade, but we have closed it earlier in the break-even zone. And AUD CHF is still running, this one. And in the beginning we opened gold trade, that one. NASDAQ also we opened with profit, not full profit but partial profit. Now gold trade just we have opened, but that one looks like that a very tight stop loss, this one, the one that we have just opened. So this one we opened during the London session, pre-London session. With that one we closed earlier here with one-on-one profit, as you have seen in the pre-London session live. Now this one has just gone there. It's a very tight stop loss, this one. How many pips stop loss was this one? Only 19 pip. I expected to drop from here, so leave it. It's a 19 pip trade, but we already have gained enough profit in the morning with this gold trade, so I will be looking forward to have more on this one. Now as soon as we will find, let me see if we can find an entry in this live session, I'll be jumping on a trade if there is anything. Looks like that gold just had a jump to the upside, which is so from this support level, from a very important area of value, gold has a bounce to the upside. This is the intraday candle. We saw the market has a big drop, now the price on a pullback. So let me look at from the daily as well. So from the daily perspective, you know what, I think that you saw that this is expected that gold to drop from here on the daily. We have seen already a big drop happen on the daily, almost 230 pip. I think the total is around 300 pip drop happen. What I think, guys, that in my opinion, gold might drop to this 20 EMA before the monthly close, which is very highly likely to happen. And with that drop, what I think that gold might test this 20 EMA on the daily, and from that zone we could see that gold will be reversing. Now if you look at the monthly, we see that there's already a movement happen to the upside on the monthly, and this is a bull market. Okay, if you look at weekly, we see already gold has created a movement to the downside. What I think that the market might break this weekly low, create overextended, and then will continue to rise in this direction. So we will be looking to see how we can find. So far looks like that it is a short-term bearish market. This is the 1 hour chart, and we see that from here there is an impulse correction. So this is the opening candle, okay, early today, with a big long bearish engulfer. It has opened, and with that opening candle we have seen this big move happen, and from that zone exactly afterwards, okay guys, give a big thumbs up. I need a like, guys, so that the stream is visible to more people. It really helps when you like the stream, and also subscribe. Also it really helps me to create more content like this. Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. Mohammed Khalid, can we buy gold as 1 hour time frame is engulfing candle? Gold is now, I know that it's 1 hour, there is a spike to the upside, but what I see that gold, you can see there is a big bearish move happen after creating this double top. Now you know that always I'm a trend trader. Okay, I love trading with the trend, and as you can see that always I try to sell the market, even if I have a losing trade. I always sell the market that is trending direction of the trend, and that helps me to generate a good, when goes wrong, when goes in the right direction, I try to create the good profit from the market with a short period of time. And because I trade with the trend trading, if like say if you are a profitable, if you want to be a profitable trader, and if you look at any profitable trader, everyone is a trend trader. So if you look at this 1 hour chart on gold, you can see there is already established downtrend. But at the point, I know that the reason you are thinking of buying is gold on a support level. Okay, if you look at this one here, this is a support zone. Okay, and you are expecting that there is an engulfing pattern is developing, so you are thinking of buying. That's very fair enough. Anytime we could see a reversal from this zone on gold to the upside. But the thing is that we need to realize is that when you see you need to understand the local and global trend. How many of you is still not sure about the local and global trend? So let's say when you see a market, global trend is bullish, local trend is bearish. So local trend bullish, okay, try to understand. pardon me, global trend is bullish, local trend is bearish. Now to trade this market, let's say if you want to buy this market, you need to see that this local trend has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend and merging with the global trend. Now if you look at this gold market from 1 hour perspective, we see the global trend is bullish. Okay, this is a global trend. We see there is a support here, okay, support here, support here, nice looking support zone here, and with that support gold is respecting that support. But at the same time, the local trend here you can see is a bearish trend, and once the price has come to this support, we need this price to reverse from here, show any kind of reversal pattern or any kind of false breakout along this zone, giving us a potential opportunity. Then we can go long on gold. Otherwise we just need to remain observant in the market. Can we buy gold as 1 hour time frame is in? Okay, so we discussed it. And Tabogo, good morning from South Africa. Thank you. Good morning from Sydney, Mr. Hello, sir. Cynthia, thank you very much. Favor. Hi, Coach Gbpusd UD. Yeah, we'll look at it. 360 building. Hi from Greg. Yeah, absolutely. We'll look at it. Greg, thank you for joining from Brisbane here. What's about Gbpusd? Yeah, we'll look at it. Good evening, sir. Thank you. Gbpusd. All right, to look at it. Hi, coach. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Please US30. Yeah, absolutely. We'll look at US30 as well. So let me look at the US30 and then we'll look at other instrument. So US30 and NASDAQ. Let me look at the US30 first. So US30 looks like that it is a bullish market, and at the same time the market really in a zone where there is a monthly opening and closing zone. Now US30 this month didn't move much. We saw that there is a sideways movement. If I look at the weekly, we can see that there is a weekly doji has formed, okay, in this zone, and the price, once the market open, is pushing. I think that this market might now go up little to the upside. Probably it might go to the liquidity zone where there is back-to-back 3 dojis here. The reason is, if you closely look at the market structure, overall, looking at overall picture is really important. You can see that there is a big move happen here. Okay, the market has a strong a little bit of pullback with this red candle, and then there is another movement. The market is moving in this zone. Okay, this is a weekly pattern, as you can see, creating a series of lower high, and then what we see that in fact US30 has formed this bullish market structure. Now this is the weekly time frame, and what we see that there is a big bullish candle. Okay, with this bullish candle the market has formed another movement to the upside. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that there is a big bullish pin bar here. Okay, now with that big bullish pin bar, the price is pushing high, and I think that this is the daily chart. As you can see, this market will continue to rise in this direction. So looking for the looking at the further lower time frame on the intraday, we see that there is a big move happen followed by this doji. We can see the market now pushing to the upside. Now with that movement, what we can expect for US30, the price to continue to rise in this direction. Now as I mentioned, that this market, you can see, is moving almost in a sideways. So that's why this is little bit of a difficult area here, okay, because this market was in fact moving in a sideways, okay, sideways pattern, and we can expect this price to continue to rise. At the same time, okay, you can see that this is the support here, okay, support here, which is turning resistance here. And what I think that this market might move in between this support and resistance zone, okay, so highly likely that this market will range in between this support and resistance area. So let's see how it does, and we will be looking for me it's look like it's a bull market, okay. We could see the market is going to be bullish in this direction, so let's see. But for me, I will wait for any kind of, you see there's a long wick candle, any kind of break of this zone can give us again selling opportunity. And I think this market might be moving a little bit in a narrow range until the monthly close. You can see there is a monthly close coming up on US30, okay. So there is a doji here on the monthly, and this is the level where there is a monthly opening and closing zone, and from that level we can see that the market might goes up, test this level and then could reject to the downside. Okay, so looking at this one here on the 4 hours, so let's look at now. Okay, gold, as I mentioned, you can see gold just has a manipulation to the upside, okay. This 15 minutes candle just been manipulated to the upside. There's a big manipulation with this. Let me see how we can find an entry. There is a manipulation here, okay. We got a stopped out and then has broken to the downside. So we'll be looking to have I think that now gold prepared for a little more drop. The way it has formed on the 15 minutes, let me see if we can find an entry here for quick scalping. There is a big drop, and there is okay, so you can see that gold in fact has a big movement today. Okay, let's see if we can find an entry. Oh shit, that's a big mob happened. It didn't give us any time to enter. This is a manipulation leg here, okay, on gold. This is a clean manipulation with this 20 EMA and other. So let's see if we can find an entry. I think that this market, this is the 15 minutes chart, I think it will form a head and shoulder here and then will drop again, and with the drop we could see that I think there is a big drop is coming up on gold, and it might be coming to this daily 20 EMA. Let's see if we can find an entry. To me, gold is preparing for a little further drop. Okay, there with this manipulation. So let's find the level that we can find an entry on gold. I see that it create a false breakout. Okay, so gold might continue to drop. I see that some of our BIP member is still running that trade with profit. That's good. Keep running that. I think that it will drop. Okay. Now this is one of our VIP member just posted on the chat. He is still running this trade that we have posted earlier today. Great job, Tara. His name is Tara. So that's good. That's what I want, guys. The main goal of this academy is to help trader to become independent. There is a manipulation here. I closed my trade, but he's still running. That's good. Very good. This is the cleverness that I want from you guys, so that you know exactly what you are doing. So now let's find out where we can find an entry. What I think that we might see rejection from here. I could enter here. There's a very high, very tight. Might have a big drop. Just need a one candle to cross this one and give me an entry, especially a retest of this level. So this leg, it's a manipulation leg, and we see that there is a rejection to the downside. Okay, now with this rejection, okay, so yeah, it looks like that it's going in the direction. If it is, this is the 5-minute chart, if it is forming a head and shoulder, we will be jumping on a trade again. Okay, so let's see how it does. All right, amazing experience, guys. So let's look at the chat here. From Malaysia, thank you, Madame. Shall we take sell on gold? Gold is still bearish, but I'm just waiting for an entry. I need, I know that my favorite strategy is liquidity. Always I need liquidity grab for an entry. As you have seen, that the one that we have opened early today here, it had a, this is the opening candle of the weekly opening, and exactly here the trade was open, and that because it has a liquidity, you can see there is a liquidity here and also liquidity. So when the market has a liquidity, this is a very good place for an entry. Now the way it has formed here, the price action on the even on the 15 minutes, I will really, so if this session, this 15 minutes is almost close, this one is giving us a good entry point. Okay, we will be looking for potential selling setup on this one. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Looks like that everything going in a very perfect direction. Now you can see this candle has closed on the 5 minute, which is a middleman. Okay, and I think it will have another drop. The way it has formed is very bearish here. Need an entry, guys. You see, when this kind of manipulation happens, so this vertical move is a complete manipulation. So what is a manipulation? In fact, I explained many times. So you can see this market has formed a bearish pattern. Suddenly one leg has gone up, and that leg is a manipulation leg, and that has given a very strong momentum on gold for a potential drop. And I think that this market is likely to let it go up first, grab some liquidity, and then highly likely it will continue to drop in this direction. So let's see how it does, and we'll be looking at to sell. Okay, very aggressively bearish, guys. We might see a drastic drop. Okay, that means that it is likely to hit this 20 EMA just today. Very possible. Okay, we'll be scalping from here if it drops to this 20 EMA. Let me see. Okay, looks like it's getting disconnected from here. So we have running another trade also in Aussie CHF. This one also moving in profit zone now. I think that this one, yeah, this one also should be in profit zone. There is a, okay, we see a 4-hour candle close. Okay, this one I'm gonna close with profit. I think it's a candle closing, might see, but let me see. There is a candle close come. So AUD CAD strongly bearish, Aussie yen, AUD CHF looks like bearish, and we see that. Let me look at all of them. AUD USD, AUD looks like weaker, Euro CHF on a pullback, Euro GBP is going to a zone where a very interesting area. Euro GBP is moving. I think that Euro GBP is going to a zone where we could find selling opportunity. This market to me is bearish. Okay, Euro JPY, let me look at all of them. There's a candle close, so we might find short-term trading opportunity. So euro dollar, we have seen that the price almost reached the resistance zone here and then failed to break this high. So there's a mixed reaction with different instrument. I think that euro dollar also will drop for short term. Okay, GBP CAD has a big drop. Okay, GBP USD, I think GBP USD also prepared for a drop. Okay, looks like that. Yeah, looks like that GBP USD also, you might see that it is coming to test this 20 EMA on the daily. Very high probability because it failed to create a higher high. And let me look at all of them to see. Looks like that, you know, dollar CAD also are preparing for slow. It might break down dollar CAD. Okay, might break down here from the weekly. A very long bearish candle. So NASDAQ, we closed it because I know that it might come down for again a deeper retracement. It might be bullish, but you know, just close the profit that running. If we need to enter, we'll enter again. Okay. So far I see that gold, this is the 1 hour chart on gold, a long bearish engulfer. Okay, so gold has formed a very strong bearish price action. Let's see, we can find, if we can find an entry here on gold. Now from the 1 hour, from the 30 minutes, from 15 minutes in our time frame, I see that gold is bearish. So let me see where we can find entry on gold. This is a interestingly bearish price action. Okay, so let me see if we can find an entry here. Very tight. Need to find a lower time frame entry because it's too big. A stop loss will be if we get in. So you can see this is the 15-minute chart, and there is a head and shoulder has formed. Okay, there's a manipulation, is the sign that the market might continue to drop. Now according to our TF indicator, okay, on 15 minutes we see a sell alert here. Okay, now this TF indicator is available for all the students who are trading with us, and also according to the liquidity money flow indicator also we see that there is a sell signal here. Now liquidity indicator is another one that we have now available. So liquidity indicator is where there is a liquidity gap, you see it separately. We saw that there is a liquidity gap here, and with that liquidity gap, what we see that the market after grabbing liquidity from here form a head and shoulder, okay, smooth head and shoulder, and then has rejected to the downside. And I think that you can see this is the support here with this movement, and yeah, so that could give us an entry point. Once you see the market is giving an entry, we can expect for selling gold. So there is a movement already happened on the 5 minutes. You can see this is the 38.2%. let it push to the upside and give us an entry here, completing a head and shoulder, okay, along the zone. If we find an entry, we'll open short-term sell position first, let it go up, create a false breakout, let us give us a candle that we can really trust, and then we can sell this candle. Okay, all right guys, I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds. Everyone give a big like, smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. That really helps us to help me to stay motivated for more content like this, because when you like it, reach to more people, and you are also reaching to more people. That really helpful. So the way the price action is formed on gold, it's really strongly bullish. Let me see whether you can find an entry. So this is the 15 minutes candle. Okay, and okay, so it's moving up. That's good for us. Okay, so you see there's some movement is happening to the upside. I'm trying to find an entry. Okay, and see from this neckline there is a nice looking, when there is a manipulation you'll always find the neckline here. Okay, 38.2% Fibonacci level. We could see one more candle to the upside or another push to the upside on gold, and then probably we'll see that market might be moving the other direction. So let's see how gold is trying to do here. We can see that there is okay, if let's say gold making this one again to the upside, okay, that could be really ridiculous, because in that case we might see a change of trend from this place. Okay, okay, so let me see. We can see that there is a, so this 15 minutes candle just crossed the previous one's high, right? Look at the 5 minutes. Okay, so there is a doji. Okay, let's see. Okay, see that's selling. Okay. Is it something we can sell? Okay, so there is a selling opportunity coming up on gold. Big drop coming up. Okay, we'll sell now gold. Okay, we'll sell now gold. Keep in mind everything here is only for educational. Anything can happen. I'll just send the same trade alert to the students as well who are already running in our VIP sell trade. I will not recommend to open anything, but if you are still not running on trade, it's a very tight stop loss 1951.42 and TP at 1941.51. so we'll be selling gold. Okay, let me open that same in my account as well, smaller account. So as I mentioned that it could be winner, it could be a loser, but see. So selling gold, short 1%, stop loss 1951. So this is the third trade that we are opening only today, and TP at 19.4. I'm a bit late on my entry, but that's fine. Just need you guys to experience better. Okay, so now I will explain. We are short on gold, the same trade alerts sent to the students, and also I have opened in my account. I'm a bit late, hopefully that you can be a better price. Now firstly, a big disclaimer is that everything here we are showing is only for educational purpose. I strictly recommend you to open any kind of trade in your demo account because it's only for learning here. Okay, it's only to help you to become an independent, professional, profitable trader as a part of our training program in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy that is extended. We have a strategy to trade this. This is our TF strategy that we are applying. Once you learn the strategy, you can I believe that you will be able to pick this kind of trade. Now it could be winner, could be loser, but the main thing here is to learn a strategy that works over time. Over time gives a positive result. So we open a sell position based on lower time frame price action. Now for me, what I see that I will explain why I have opened this trade is because if you look at the 1 hour chart, firstly we see that from the 1 hour perspective this market has formed a big red bearish candle, and from the lower time frame perspective on the 5 minutes we see that the market has just formed a doji here, and with the doji formation the price has dropped. Now we see that there is, see, this is how I read the market before executing a trade. What we see that there is a clean head and shoulder, so there is a manipulation happen to the upside. The price has broken down, retrace up to 38.2% Fibonacci, and we are expecting another impulse. At least some part to the downside can give us an opportunity to the downside. Now if I look at the further lower time frame, so this is the 1 hour chart. Now as I mentioned that anything could happen. I'm expecting it to drop, but it might have a retest of this level again. Okay, we see that some backward movement coming, and Okay, so you see that there is a pullback candle which is in a zone that okay, it could be could change the trend. Okay, so this is the support level here. As I mentioned, it's a very tight stop loss. And let's see how it is doing. So our entry at 1948. So I think that, guys, you are still at your entry, but I entered a bit late. Why is showing so less? Okay, so we'll keep running. Let's see what happened. Can you let me know your entry? If how many of you entered your entry point? So what's your entry? Yeah, I want it to get rejected from this level and then to continue to drop. So we need a drop to this level. So this bullish candle cannot, if it isn't strong enough to go up, then it will continue to drop. Look like that. Yeah, I want it to be dodgy. Okay, so that if it is dodgy means that there is a long week and the short week together should be coming down, but thank you, Ajit. Good evening. Vincent, good evening. UDCHF coming down, very good. Yeah, we are short on a UDCHF, very good. It's coming down. Yeah, this one I want it to be dodgy and then it should be coming down. It is good Monday for some trading setup. Yeah, of course, I love Monday. That's why I'm quite a few trade today so far with all my students. Coach, can I go short on gold? So this is what we are doing now. Coach, do you provide copy trading? You can, in any question you can ask on the live chat. Always agent available, they will answer all the questions. So hi coach. Okay, so we saw a double dodgy. We can expect now a drop on this one. Okay, we can expect drop but not guaranteed. If it drops, then we should be able to find the profit on this one. Okay, so hard to fall below. Yeah, absolutely. Short on gold, very good. So could you check NASDAQ? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we saw a 15 minutes candle close as a doji. Okay, what I need is next one to come, but there is a 20 EMA here. It might go up to test the 20 EMA, guys. So what I think that we might see, I need to drop, smash the like now. Okay, smash the candle so that it drops to the profit target. Okay, yes, yeah, absolutely. Is USD CAD falling? So this is what I expected. We also short trade on USD CAD, but um, yeah, very good, thank you. Yeah, absolutely, I understand. Yeah, of course you can. I also lost a lot of capital, but I have been able to do that. I'll explain what's the best strategy. Now this candle, what I need is, I think that this market might be going up for pullback. We need, there is a big battle now happening between buyers and sellers. Okay, we might see again a manipulation to the upside or a drop from here. Might be going up for okay, so let's see what it does. It might go up for another liquidity grab. Okay, if this candle is um, not bearish, then we might bring the take profit at entry for a break-even trade. Still probability to drop. Let's see. Still the bulls are not strong enough to break this resistance. Come on. Okay, so there is a still this resistance is remaining. I want this candle to close below this level. This looks like it's gonna break it. Okay, close as a doji. Okay, come down. because it might go up for liquidity gaps. So what you're gonna do is will be, once the price will come to the entry, let's see how this candle is forming. Okay, yeah, it's coming down again. We need it to come to the profit zone. So if it breaks down, then it should be coming to the TP target. It's a very tight trade. A spike down will give us the full profit on it. Okay, looks like that's coming down. Let me name mine. Yeah, I'm almost there. Yeah, so it's entered the profit zone again. Okay, thank you. All right, good morning, boss from Costa Rica. Thank you very much. So we need a strong selling candle to keep the trade running when you give the signal. Awesome, thank you. Waiting, no problems. Okay, I still the price action is bearish, so we still can hope for. Okay, we see I need a strong breakdown, okay, in the profit zone. Hi coach, hope you had a great weekend. Yeah, absolutely, Mohana, we had a very great weekend. Hopefully you had to. No problems, you will be all right. Will you give the trade live? Yeah, that's the live one that we have opened, and I'm expecting gold to drop to give us guys full profit, which is almost at our entry. No problems. 1947, so very good, almost nearly there. Okay, very good. Okay, I think that everyone almost nearly there. So the price action looks like that there is still probability to drop. Awesome. Okay, so you see the price has come to the profit zone, guys. I need a big like. Looks like that we hopefully see a drop to our TP target at 1941.51. This is the third trade, consecutive trade today. In the beginning of trading week, once the market open, we have open a position on gold, as I posted analysis yesterday, guys, that gold is likely to drop from here, and gold drop exactly from the point that expected in the analysis. That's incredible, and that's why I have opened that position, and also I have sent it to the students. We closed with profit the first position on gold, and now let's see how this one is going to do. So you see that I wanted this one to close as a bearish engulfer, but there is a weakless candle here that might cause a trouble, because there is a liquidity. The price might try to go there and grab that liquidity, but what I want, this one closing as a strong red candle. Okay, if it does, then should be able to see further drop. So we see hanging man has formed, very narrow. So we see that it's a very narrow candle. Okay, so it is forming a smooth resistance line here. So let's see if it is respecting this resistance. Okay guys, we want a big long red candle to the downside. Okay, say everyone on the chat that we need a red candle like this one dropping, so that it goes to the direction that you want. All right guys, so that everyone starts selling gold and the price dropped as we need gold to give us the opportunity. Okay, very good. Come down. Are you guys enjoying? Let me know in the chat. So it's coming down now to the profit zone. I'm on profit now. See, this is a very tight stop loss. Now I want this one to close below. Okay, what about GG? Okay, we'll see. Just want to guard this trade because they're very tight. We'll go to the GBP, JPY and other instruments. Yeah, very good. King JB, very good. Thank you for that. So you see that yeah, that's what happening. King JB, your hard, that one is forming the big red fat candle. We need it to break down, but if it doesn't, then we might need to close break even. Just need to So this is a very important level of resistance. The price is still forming narrower doji below this resistance zone. Okay, we are sell on gold. Okay, we see there is a bearish candle. What we need is now a strong movement. Okay, now okay, so looks like that we might see a drop. Now there's a middleman with a liquidity grab on the 5 minutes, and if it disconnect from this structure, we should be seeing that the price is coming down, and let's see what it is trying to do. Now a 15 minutes candle close, which is so far a doji, which is also bearish. Now after this kind of candle, the price should be coming down. Okay, we see the price is coming down. Amazing, that's what we need. And okay, we see now I'm in profit. Are you guys in profit zone? Let me know in the chat. I might say anytime if I see that reversal may happen, I might say close with profit because it's a bigger profit target. If I say either you can keep running or you can close with profit, okay, which is now in profit zone in my count. Now for me, I see a head and shoulder here, so you should be seeing that the market melting to the downside. Okay, okay, we see that. Okay, very good. Drop. This is what we need, guys. Coming down. Awesome. Okay, so our TP at 1941.51. Okay guys, amazing. So we had 2 times profit target on this one, right? So we have a almost hitting the TP. Smash the like button now. Okay, we need that kind of trade to cheer up. Okay, now what you can do is, if you like, you can close half position because we are almost 2 to 1 risk to reward to risk. So if you like, you can open half of the position. That means if it is position is 0.05, you can close 0.03, or you can keep running, right? So now the only thing here is that there is a probability for the price to go ahead and test this 15 minutes 20 EMA, but first let it come down. Okay, so far the price action is bearish still. Going to the entry again. For me, is still bearish. I'll still hold the trade. Okay, so with this, if it continues to drop, it should be coming to the full profit target. which is 2.2 times. Very big profit target. Okay guys, so you see, as I mentioned, that the price action is still bearish. Okay, they have this one is closing. Do you want to bring the profit target earlier, or you want to keep the same? Okay, for me it's still bearish, guys. There's, you see, there is a head and shoulder here. Okay, and with that head and shoulder, the price tested the neckline. We should be seeing a bearish movement. Okay, so far 15 minutes. Okay, this current candle, this one, I need it to, you know, close as a bearish candle, otherwise we could see what I need is a rejection from here. Okay, we see that rejection is happening. Have anyone closed any profit? Let me know in the chat. Okay, what do you, big fan? Absolutely, thank you. Focusing red, no problems, thank you. Awesome. Yeah, absolutely, look at it. No problems, thank you very much. So let's see how this one is doing. We might need to close either in profit or in break even. Let's see at first how this one, this 5 minutes candle, if it creating a long wick at the top, that means that we might see further movement to the downside. Very good. Okay, so I wanna see a bit more down. Okay, so the selling candle, this current 5 minutes candle is still bearish, but there is a shooting star is formed. Gold sometimes moves, doesn't want to move in the direction. Okay, so this is the 5 minutes candle. Now you see that if this one, this current candle cannot break this high, there will be a drop here. Okay, so we'll keep watching that current one. If this one cannot break the previous one's high, there's a drop coming up. Okay, we see that there is bearish pressure coming up. And how many of you still running the trade? Let me know. Amazing, thank you. Okay, so this current session's candle, this 5 minutes candle, if cannot break this high, very high probability for this price to have another drop. That means that, so there is an impulse, correction, impulse. That's what we are expecting. Let's see what happened. So we almost came initially 42 pip, 43 pip profit. Okay, so total profit target for us here is 67 pip, 68 pip. Okay, I want to take it all. Let's see. Come on, don't try to go bullish here. Hey guys, are you enjoying? Guys, give a big like, subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to learn the strategy that we are trading gold now in this live market, learn the strategy that I'm trading every day, and also become a part of this trading community, then you can find a link in the description. You can visit the website, join us to become independent, professional, profitable trader. And also you have access all the trading tools that we are using, including this TF indicator and many other trading tools already there, and there are some other some of them under development. And yeah, you will be here forever if you're a lifetime member. There's a discount going on. You can check out the website, and also there is a website link at the top of this chat. You can visit us to become a profitable trader. So what we see that in the last moment some bullish move is coming. So what are you gonna do? Okay, so there is a gap opening, guys. We might see some bullish move may come, so I will recommend you to close now with profit or loss, whatever. Close with close now gold. Okay, so there is a gap opening, and we could see that gold might be going up. Okay, okay, so yeah, so it has come to the entry, and you can close now. Okay, with profit, or it looks like that might be better to close it because this is a contradiction, little bit of it might create bearish move, or it might go up for liquidity gap. Okay, better, because there's a big gap opening. Interestingly, this gap might work even downside also. Okay, the rest is up to you. It might continue to drop, or it might go up for, because this is structure here is bearish, but there is a gap opening, and okay, that's the massive drop now coming up. Okay, no problem, will be entering again if needed. Thank you. So can you let me know in the chat, everyone, what's the situation? So are you running, or you close to it, break even or profit, or any kind of what did you do? Let me know in the chat. So this one, I think that this one is forming a long bearish candle. Okay, so if you already closed it, okay, I think that we could see again selling pressure coming. We will be selling again. If you closed already, this could be the new selling. And so it's a scalping, right? So we can looks like that this is going to drop now. Okay, there's a big bearish engulfer, so we'll keep the same TP target. Okay, I've sold again. Let me do it. So it formed a fat bearish engulfer, so it's a selling again. Okay, I'll take the same trade again, this time 1% risk, stop loss here 1951.02. okay, okay. Okay, so this is a I want this candle to close. Okay, it's a big long bearish engulfer, which is a very strong selling pressure. Let me see. Okay, we see a sell signal as per my TF strategy. Okay, CF, so there is a big bearish engulfer. Now if I am unlucky, then it is going up and hit the TPASL, but I have opened again, sell entry. What did I do? There's an error. Okay, so there is a big bearish engulfer. Now this bearish engulfer could be a winning or could be a losing. Let's see what it does. There is a big bearish engulfer. I have sold again. So from the okay, no problems. Good job. So if you are holding, hold it. Because I closed, I open again, sell position. If you're holding, then hold it. Looks like, because this, you see this gap opening bearish candle, it's a strong selling candle. Okay, that's why I have open position again. And because if this market now drops, we should see a bit more stronger drop. If it doesn't drop, let it go. But the way this structure has formed, which is a bearish structure, we should see some reaction to the downside. As you can see, the price is coming down now, and I'm running in some profit on this one. So let's see how it does. What's your end? Okay, so what I want this current one to have is to be rejected. This is a very strong bearish engulfer. Now if it doesn't manifest, then there's nothing we can do about it. Always keep in mind, guys, everything here is only for educational. Always open with a very smaller lot, or do proper risk management. If you are doing on mobile, then must be very smaller lot. If you're doing on PC, then use proper risk management tool to pinpoint the entry, exit, stop loss and take profit, to find out the proper lot sizing, so that you are not making big risk, or not taking a big risk of your account. All right, it's very important. Now so far in that area, seller strong, but let's see how it does now. There's only one thing here, there's a big long candle. Okay, now in this zone, the sellers are very stronger still. Okay, there's a big long middleman, there's a big bearish engulfer. Now in case if the gold reverse from here, then it could go a lot to the upside, but I'm still let it will. So we see that you can see the buyers not getting enough strength. Very good, thank you. So this is the 15 minutes candle, okay, which is this 15 minutes candle is a bearish candle so far, okay, and come on. Okay, so you see that the bearish pressure. We need a narrower doji. So you see that when you look at the live market, you see the bulls are not getting enough. You see how the candle is behaving. You will understand actually who is in control. This is the beauty of looking at the live market, okay. When you see how the price is behaving, will tell you exactly who is in control in the market, okay. Now so far you can see that this bearish engulfer is a very powerful selling candle. Now what I need is, as you can see, so far back to back two candles. These two candles are pullback candles on this one, and these two are so narrow. That means that strong selling pressure, the buyers are not strong enough, so you should be able to see a drop to the downside, okay. Why this has open gap down? So there is a big doji on the 15 minutes. Okay, from the 1 hour chart you can see that this 1 hour candle has closed just below this level, which is a very good resistance zone for the price to be respected. If it doesn't, then are you still on a trade? How many of you are still on a trade? Can you let me know in the chat? Yeah, that's true. So Gbpsd. Okay, better to hold it. Okay, very good. So you're buy, then. This one might be moving. Very interesting price action is just formed. Now this time it's gone. I'm still on a trade. Okay, I'm out of trade. Okay, I'm out of trade. So that has gone the other direction. So you got one okay, we could see a reversal here now. So for those who are buying, probably will be in a good side. So you saw that this one has reversed from here, okay, and gone the other way around. Okay, so you saw that what it could do now from a support, we might see some reversal coming. Probably we sold too late. Okay, so we sold too late. So we might see it might form a reversal here now. Okay, we could see that gold is forming a reversal along the zone. Okay, so leave the gold, it's gone. And let's focus on other instrument, what we have on the hand. Okay, let me look at what's happening with US oil. Aussie, and I'm just looking at all of this to see. Okay, so if you if you are on gold trade but didn't put the SL, what I would say that you can close the break even whenever it will. So what it might do, that it should come down for to test this level. Normally I trade with the stop loss, but it should come down for a retest of this neckline of this previous resistance as a support, and then you can get out of the trade. So you could see that. So can you let me know in the chat, you are still holding the trade or you are stopped out on this gold trade? Okay, so this is yeah, that's good that you put a stop loss. I think, you know, it's a little bit of messy now. We could see that from here, yeah, there's no further entry. Now from here it could drop again. Okay, we entered a bit earlier. Now what I think, you can see the market will come to test this level here, this neckline as a support. Now for me, I don't think that it will be bullish directly from here, but it is on a support. We might see some up and down still. Okay, market on a support, we might see slowly the market rejecting from this level. Okay, so we'll keep the gold, leave the gold. Okay, Let's see what other instrument offering us. Okay, Euro GBP has a very strong rejection. So most of the pairs doing what expected except the gold. Gold in fact today has a big drop, okay, to this level of support. We might see that this market now slowly turning to be going up for a deeper retracement or turning to be a bull market. Okay, so USD CAD has been manifested exactly in the direction. Okay, so today is a day that has both winning and losing, no problem, and we'll look forward to have more. Okay, no problems. No worries. Okay, so I see that there is not much of, let me look at the news calendar. We look at the Forex factory. Okay, now there is a news coming up this morning on GBP, okay, and also tomorrow. So GBP pairs might be getting very volatile, and as a result we see the GBP USD. Okay, so if this one is forming a bullish candle on GBP USD, looks like that GBP USD has been reversed from here. We saw that there is a big bullish engulfer has formed on GBP USD. This one has a strong liquidity in it. Okay, so with that liquidity grab, okay, what I think that GBP USD is going to do is going to continue to rise, because there is already a candle that has a strong liquidity grab followed by a rejection. So what I will be doing on GBP USD, I will be waiting for a pullback to this level. Looks like that GBP USD doing exactly as expected, and we see there is a movement is happening to the upside, and I will be waiting for a bullish setup on GBP USD. So from GBP USD, what we have seen that dollar is still weaker, so euro dollar we might see the bullish move on euro dollar, and AUD USD also slowly turning to be a bullish market. Okay, so gold might be bouncing to the upside from this support zone. Okay, and let's see how it does, because you see that this is the important level of support. As it has a bounce to the upside, okay, we might see a reversal from here. Okay, might see, not yet. So once you see the reversal, okay, clean reversal, I will be buying. For the time being, we might say consolidation, and I will try to enter again, because we entered quite a few trades on gold in the beginning. Today we had entered, and also in this time we have entered. So we'll keep watching. We'll try to find another trade or one or two later today, or at least one, and then once you see clear direction, then only we'll be entering. So this is the situation, and yep, let's see what it does. There is a GBP, looks like in all of them GBP USD looks very, very strongly bullish. Okay, and GBP USD looks like might be giving us nice, because there is a, delete all of them, in all the instrument I will be looking forward to trade next GBP USD. You see there's a long there is a reversal here. Okay, multiple liquidity gap with this long bullish engulfer. This long wick candle, you can see back to back, it crossed the two candles low and then closed as a bullish engulfer, followed by a retracement candle, again another bullish engulfer. So Gbpusd might go up for a bit more stronger movement. Now if you look at the multi-time frame on the weekly, we see that there's a gap opening here, and with that gap opening, Gbpusd is continuing to the upside. Now looking at the monthly, we see also this market is significantly bullish. Now as soon as I'll find an entry, I'll look for potential buying opportunity on Gbpusd. I sincerely believe that, guys, you enjoyed this live session. I'll look forward to have more, but due to the time limit, I need to end this session. Now in the meantime, if you want to trade with us in our VIP Telegram channel and also learn our strategies, there is a link in the description. You can visit the website, join us to become a trader that you really want to become. So with that said, I'm gonna end this session. I hope that you enjoyed, and I look forward to have again tomorrow. There will be twice we will be coming on live, and hopefully that tomorrow also we'll have some good trades coming up. And with that said, thank you. I'll see you soon tomorrow. Stay well, stay happy, and make sure that you manage your risk when you are trading.